Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and I'm glad to welcome you into this new video that I am going to fold a laundry with you guys. If you're not folding with me, you will be motivated at least to get up and take that basket and fold your laundry. I don't know when, but yeah, you get the motivation here. In this channel I do cleaning motivation, I do laundry motivation and home vlogging. That's what is happening here. My name is Elizabeth. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and yeah, do share the videos so that other community members can really get to be motivated in this interesting videos. So let's get into today's video, guys. I've realized that I'm separating my laundry washing and folding because why? I've realized, let's say you want to be motivated, okay, you will watch my video, be motivated to do your laundry, or you do your laundry as and while playing my videos. That is how I see it. Then folding is another thing that is not gonna be happening immediately after you wash. It's gonna be something that will happen later after hanging and drying out your laundry. So you will get a laundry folding video separately, unlike it is attached to the washing of the laundry. So it will be, I think it will be stressful or hard to go and fast forward that laundry motivation video to go to the folding time slot. Yeah, it is easier for you to go to the folding laundry straight as it is and start folding with me, or to be motivated. So yeah guys, do get motivation from here. I love you so much, and I really do like doing videos like this. I make them with pleasure. So the hip was hipping on the bed. Let's get down to the folding. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to play the ads. Don't forget also to share this video. I hope you are still here. I hope your basket is as much as my load here, or even if it is more, but the fact that you have started says a lot. Thank you for carrying on with the video. As I'm about to wrap up, I would like to thank you for sticking around until this time. I like you. I like to thank you for watching the ads. While you are at it, if you forgot to like, please press the like button and please share the video. I love you so much and I will see you next time. Bye.